Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Settings and heading straight to Display. This is where Samsung exposes navigation controls. Once in Display, tap Navigation bar to reveal the toggle between full-screen gestures and buttons. You need to confirm which mode is active because the next steps change depending on that state. Make sure your screen is unlocked and you can interact with the navigation area. If you see gesture indicators at the bottom, you're in Gestures mode and ready to switch to the only reliable off method. Now select buttons to replace gestures. This is the single dependable way to turn gestures off across Samsung phones. Tap the Buttons option and pick your preferred button layout. Samsung offers two arrangements for Recents, Home, and Back. Once selected, the system immediately restores a visible navigation bar. Test by tapping Home and Back to verify responsiveness. If animations or edge swipe still interfere, reduce sensitivity in the same menu or restart the phone to ensure the change fully applies. Finish by confirming the bar works across apps and then restart the phone to lock in the setting. Some launchers or apps can temporarily re-enable gesture-like behavior. If gestures still seem active, check accessibility under Interaction and Dexterity for any gesture shortcuts you must disable. As a last resort, return to Navigation bar and tap Reset or Reset Settings in Display to restore defaults, then reselect buttons. Troubleshooting tip: reboot after changes, restarts resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.